You already know the loop. You wake up, swear you won't slip up today, feel the brain fog roll in, and relapse again. To break that cycle, look at the biology. Excessive consumption floods your reward center with artificial dopamine. This chemical overload physically shrinks your prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for logical decision-making. Over time, normal life feels numb. Passively watching another self-help video isn't going to fix this. We are going to actively build a step-by-step brain rewire action plan. Go grab a physical notebook, grab a pen, and your phone. If you want to get past this, you need to commit 100% of your effort right now. Understanding the psychology of your addiction won't cure it. True recovery requires building a physical, actionable system to outsmart your own compromised brain. Step 1. Open your notebook and draw a line straight down the middle of the page. On the left side, list your exact contextual triggers. Write down the specific times of day or emotional states where you are most vulnerable, like late-night boredom at 11 p.m. or heavy stress right after work. Pause this video. Pick up your primary devices and install a strict website blocker. Configure that blocker to automatically shut down your access during the exact trigger times you just listed on the left side of your notebook. Relying on willpower during a highly triggered state is a guaranteed path to failure. Digital walls are mandatory to protect a recovering brain. Step 2. Open your calendar and schedule a weekly 24-hour dopamine detox. The rules for this day are absolute. 0 phone usage, 0 social media, 0 video games, and 0 pornography. You will feel intense, frustrating boredom during this detox. That discomfort is your goal. This graph illustrates your dopamine baseline. Enduring that boredom allows your depleted receptors to heal. The line slowly curves upward, eventually making normal, everyday activities enjoyable again. Boredom serves as the biological signal that your brain is recalibrating to enjoy the real world again. Step 3. Look back at the specific trigger times you identified in Step 1. Neural pathways are overwritten, not deleted. You must supply a high-value habit to fill the void. If 10 p.m. is a known trigger zone, schedule reading for that exact hour. If afternoon stress triggers you, schedule exercise for that specific window. Leaving blocks of unstructured free time during your danger windows will cause your brain to default back to the addiction. A heavily structured daily routine removes the burden of choice. Your recovery transitions from a constant test of willpower into an automatic schedule. Step 4. Despite perfect scheduling, intense urges will inevitably strike. We handle those with the flashback technique. The moment a craving hits, you mandate a strict, non-negotiable 5-second pause. Use those 5 seconds to aggressively visualize the exact feelings of regret, emptiness, and brain fog you experienced after your last relapse. Artificially linking that intense negative emotion to your craving neutralizes your brain's false promise of immediate pleasure. Inserting this 5-second gap between the stimulus of the urge and your physical response is how you regain control. Step 5. You must replace your identity as an addict with your ideal self. Write down exactly who you want to be remembered as on your deathbed. Define specific traits like strength, creativity, and presence. Addiction thrives in a vacuum of purpose. An ambitious, documented life vision crowds out the space where cheap dopamine once thrived. You are shifting your identity from a passive addict to a peak performer in training. Look at your notebook. You have just mapped out a fully built 5-part system. Be prepared. The first 10 days of this process will be a period of withdrawal and mental friction. But every single day you execute this plan, neuroplasticity works in your favor. Your addictive neural pathways physically weaken. Comment "I am 100% committed" below to lock in your intention, and look into professional therapy or online community forums for external support. Executing this physical plan provides the structure for your brain to rewire itself day by day.